Hello, my name is Laurel Papworth and I have a course called AI Proof Your HR Career. And one of the reasons I have that is because it looks like HR are one of the main sectors, verticals, to be impacted by AI at the moment. By impacted, I mean that IBM, the CEO Arvind Krishna, said last year that around 26,000 non-customer facing roles would be released to make way for AI, and specifically listed, I think it was 8,000 HR jobs. I have two concerns about that. One is HR is the one that should be managing the implementation of AI in the organization, not IT. If you're looking at corporate culture, onboarding, transitioning between human jobs to AI can do, absolutely HR is there to strategize and work with the organization. So by releasing HR, you get rid of the pesky department that's going to say, you can't do that, regulations, compliance, or just ethics and human decency and employer branding and all that kind of stuff. The second one is, you can't just set AI down in a chair that's still being, the seat of which has still been warmed by the bottom of the human being that was in it before, and say, oh, there's the toilets, there's the coffee, and the stationery room is behind you. Let us know if you have any questions. That's not how AI works. AI is our co-pilot, we're the pilot. You can't just remove everybody and then put AI in charge. That is not going to work out well. Most companies, including IBM, are taking those tens of thousands of heads, marketing, HR, back office type of jobs, and putting that money into AI staffing. So people with an AI background. And that's short term. AI can teach AI better than humans can. So once everything's set up, the AI will start to use LangChain, will start to use tools to improve its own services. For this reason, I've been teaching a course called AI Proof Your HR Career, and you can discover how to transform the threat of AI into an opportunity for you as a HR person. Now, if you're one of those people that says, I don't want to work with AI, I'm never going to work with AI, I hate AI, you're in trouble, but I wish you luck. You do you. For the rest of you, we need to work with AI and we need to show that the human in charge is so valuable in this scenario. As a human resources professional, embracing AI or artificial intelligence, it doesn't just safeguard your career against technological disruption. It enhances the strategic value that you offer the organization. So with this course, we're doing practical hands-on exercises, examples, case studies, and integrations, looking at integrations into your HR work. Just to be clear, you are not an AI, so don't act like one. Release the make busy work. Let AI do anything that's formulaic, templated, checklisted, things like that, and be the best human driving the AI that you can possibly be in the HR sphere. There's a lot more information on my website, laurelpapworth.com. And as always, stay human.